Stay until the end of this video because I'm going to give you powerful tips to protect your telomeres and add healthy years to your life. That will be your reward, and believe me, it's worth it. Telomeres are the ends of your chromosomes, acting as protectors of your DNA. Each time a cell divides, telomeres shorten, and when they reach a critical point, the cell stops functioning. That's why the length of your telomeres largely determines the quality and duration of your life. But the most fascinating part is that this process is not beyond your control. Your emotions, your rest, your nutrition, and your inner balance can speed up or slow down cellular aging. You can even help your telomeres regenerate. And remember, at the end, I'll give you those practical tips I promised, because protecting your telomeres is protecting your future. The first factor that destroys telomeres is chronic stress. Negative emotions like anger, fear, or guilt raise cortisol, a hormone that literally erodes your cells. On the other hand, calmness, gratitude, and emotional connection stimulate telomerase, the enzyme that can lengthen telomeres. Your thoughts change your biology, literally. The quality of your emotional life becomes the quality of your cells. When you choose inner peace, you choose longevity. Let's move to lifestyle. Good sleep, daily movement, connection with nature, and avoiding toxic environments are pure medicine for your telomeres. Sedentary habits, artificial light exposure, and modern processed foods accelerate their decay. Your body recognizes balance and responds with regeneration. And remember, we're getting close to the practical tips I promised, the ones that can make a real difference in your health and longevity. Now let's talk about nutrition. Your telomeres need high-quality raw material, and that only comes from real foods rich in bioavailable nutrients. Animal proteins, eggs, seafood, liver, and natural fats provide the amino acids and cofactors that protect your DNA. Nothing repairs the body better than the nutrients it was designed to use. But even with a perfect diet, modern soil is depleted, and many people need additional support. That's why supplementation can be key. Vitamin C is essential to protect collagen and reduce oxidative stress, which shortens telomeres. In low-carb diets, small daily doses are usually enough. B-complex vitamins, especially B6, B9, and B12, support methylation, a process that keeps your DNA stable and functional. Without them, cellular damage accelerates. Magnesium, zinc, and selenium are essential minerals for DNA repair and regeneration. They act as molecular guardians against oxidative damage and silent inflammation. Caring for your telomeres is not a matter of vanity, it's an act of awareness. It means respecting your body's natural design and giving it what it needs to thrive. And now, the moment of your reward. Here are the practical tips to strengthen your telomeres and extend your lifespan with quality. First, sleep deeply every night. Cellular repair happens while you rest. Second, eat animal-based foods rich in nutrients and avoid everything that comes in shiny packages. Third, move every day, not out of obligation but to remind your body that it's alive. Fourth, practice gratitude and serenity. Your emotions shape your biology. And fifth, supplement wisely. Small doses of vitamin C, B-complex, magnesium, zinc, and selenium can make a huge difference. Remember, every emotion, every meal, and every thought leave a molecular trace. Caring for your telomeres is caring for your embodied soul. Do it consciously, and your body will reward you with time, energy, and fullness. If you found this content helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it on your social media, and leave me a comment. See you in the next video, and have a wonderful day.